It wasn't a studio. It wasn't even a church. It was an old, dusty primary school. That's where it all started.
Elegant.
No mic, no manager, just me and a few friends. Guys, you didn't even understand how passionate I was about this thing. But you know, these guys just wanted to be a part of something productive. I think something hopeful. They wanted to be a part of it. Back then, we used to use whatever we had. I mean, a borrowed speaker, a borrowed laptop, laptops that would even shut down mid-recordings. I mean, it was crazy. Drums that would not even sound realistic, but still kept on showing up every time. But as time passed, those friends started falling off one after the other. Some went into business, some went into politics, some just wanted fast money. These guys all got tired. I mean, they stopped coming, they stopped showing up, they stopped joining me to borrow what we didn't have. But you know, I didn't stop. I couldn't stop. Because to me, this was not just fun, it was purpose. So later on, I packed my bags and I left New York up to Lagos. I didn't even know where I was going. I didn't know anyone. No connections whatsoever. No promises. No family. Just hunger and hope. There were nights I had nothing to eat. Nights I stayed up all night questioning myself. But you know, somehow, just somehow, life started breaking forth, bit by bit. And now I am back to Uyo to pay respect to my roots, to my friends that I started with, and to the compound where I started from. To the friends that I started with, even though they didn't even stay. And to me, that boy that refused to give up. So what you probably don't know is that my first studio recording was not a recording studio. It was an old, dusty primary school ground. And trust me, I recorded my future in that dust. But wait till I tell you in episode 3 how I lost everything. I lost everything and I almost lost my life in Lagos just because I refused to give up on this dream. Trust me, I refused to give up no matter what I faced. Catch you in episode 3.
Spirit of Akpabio, spirit of Akpabio.